everywhere he shows up. They need to pat this motherfucker down for weapons, because he's made more than a few threats.
Good.
Awesome. What you doing out here?
Just filming.
Anything good yet?
Huh.
No. Hopefully one day you will, right?
Maybe.
Yeah?
Clowning.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Well,
Yeah.
we're out here. We got calls about you filming Ranger units going in and out of the Fifth Street Station.
Actually, I haven't gotten any going in and out yet. That's kind of what I was waiting for.
Waiting for?
Yeah.
Shoot, well, you picked the wrong time to come here. We're not even here.
What, are they a 24-hour operation, or they're not?
We are.
Oh, okay.
24 hours.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. So,
Well, I guess that's why there's so many Ranger vehicles parked back there.
they're all on training.
Oh,
So
cool.
we're taking their jobs for them right now.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So what's it? The city rangers, they do all the parks and...
They have access to the whole city.
Really?
They can enforce laws just like police officers can.
Oh, okay.
So we are out here to make sure that you are not doing any reconnaissance missions or trying to stalk them like your history has shown. Pismo Beach Police Department officers.
No, just, you know...
So with your history and everything like that, we're gonna make sure that you don't have any weapons or anything on you, pat you down, okay?
No, I don't consent to
We
search.
have every right to do that.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
You don't have probable cause.
I do.
No.
With your history, we do, Mr.
We need
So
it.
don't pull away. Do not pull away. You could keep filming, but you're gonna put this camera down.
No, I want to document
Okay,
this.
well, that's fine. We'll put it on the ground.
the
But
one
we
on
have
your head,
every
right?
right
Is it
to.
on?
We
Yes,
have
it is.
every right to search you
We're just gonna pat you down.
I don't
for
consent to
weapons.
searches.
That's fine. We have every right to search you for weapons.
What probable cause do you have?
We don't need probable cause for an arrest. Okay, you're about to get under arrest for 148. So actually, we're gonna pull this backpack off.
We're just gonna pat you down. Make sure you don't have any knives in those nice big cargo pockets.
Okay.
Do you have a knife on
Put
you?
this,
No,
put
I
this
don't.
hand on top of your head.
That's all we need
I'd
to
like
make
to
sure.
request a supervisor.
That's fine. Okay. Is that all camera equipment in the back there?
There's some beer bottles and stuff in there.
Oh.
Alright, do not reach in any of your pockets, okay?
Okay. All right. There you go. Now you can release your hands.
Okay.
And record. There you go.
Okay.
All right. So,
Well, okay. The biggest issue I have, I'm not on probation or parole.
yeah.
I don't have a warrant for my arrest, and I did not consent to searches.
Yeah.
What I'm doing right now is a constitutionally protected activity. I'm filming from public view,
Yeah.
which is legal. It's
But they just said that you have a history of intimidating officers and recording police stations and doing audits and making threats. Just like Daniel Salmon, Tom Zebra, who threatened to kill 25, 30 cops.
I would take my gun and my ammunition, and I could think of at least 25, 30 cops. I would line them right here in a row, and I would shoot every single one of them in the fucking head and be done with all those 25, 30 cops. Be done with them.
Threatened
And
to
then
go to their funerals, threatened Deputy Ortiz, threatened David Ramirez, threatened Officer Lee of the Inglewood PD. Let's see, how many other ones? Deputy Parga, Deputy Alan Healy. Let's see, like they collect their names like Pokemons. Yeah, every single time that iPhone journalists, and I'm making air quotes as I say this, because I find that term to be not as accurate as it should be. Potatoes journalist, that they should pat Tom Zebra down every single time he walks into a scene, because of the credible threats that he has made to not only law enforcement officers, to me, because he can't get rid of me. And guess what? You haven't been able to get rid of me in 4 years. I'm gonna stay on your ass until you go to prison, you fucking Eric Brandt, fucking Matty Langolese, fucking bitch. Fuck you, Ricky Pinzone.